on Vashon Island. We're going to go for a walk down Devil's Lake, down to Devil's Lake.
Put on my shoes and take a walk down a trail. It's kind of dark late at night.
And Oscar and I have ventured out to the beach.
Quartermaster Harbor and Devil's Lake, Spring Beach, and Tahlequah.
Grab my hat, 'cause it's rain and the snow on the ground, on the ground. You say you're okay, it's all fine, not to worry, not to
Crab pots out here.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, there's an aspect on Vashon of treasure hunting. There's different tales and stories about hidden treasure on Vashon Island. And so we were presuming that anybody from the ocean or the sea could come up here and stow away jewelry or gold coins. So we're looking for a jewelry box.
Vashon Pirates
The Vashon Pirates.
will have to find their sunken treasure on our next adventure.
This is the area that we're going to come down with a metal detector or a shovel next time. Quartermaster Harbor, Maury Island, Redondo, Tacoma, Point Defiance.
It's just fine, it's just fine.
This is me and Edie down at Devil's Lake, Quartermaster Harbor for a quick walk down at the waterfront. Excuse me? Excuse me? What'd you say?
We have Burton Beach to the north. You can see the sunny sand. We have Quartermaster Harbor.
She knows her stuff. Okay, time to head back.
Put on my shoes and take a walk down a trail.
We found a local salamander. Used to be around here by the thousands, going across the road.
He just probably came out of hibernation.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's just fine, it's just fine.